A new laser surgery for wrinkles is providing one more option for those who are trying to slow the aging process. The laser has only been available in the Columbia area about a year, and already dozens have tried it. We followed one patient through surgery to see how it works. Mary Sparrow is preparing to go into surgery. The Columbia resident is literally going to have her wrinkles wiped away with a laser.
As a part of being female, when you turn middle age, which I am, I'm 46, and I have a brand new grandbaby, I thought this was something that I could do that would make me feel just fantastic.
She decided to undergo the procedure after talking to her doctor and seeing pictures of other patients. This is an example before laser surgery and then after. Her doctor, Smythe is one of only a few physicians in the Midlands offering the procedure because it's so new. The way it works, the surgery involves using tiny bursts of laser light to evaporate or singe away patches of skin.
This injury or removal of the top layer of the skin gives the smoothing effect, removes these fine lines.
The top layer of dead skin is wiped away with a wet gauze, and another pass is made with the laser, burning a second layer of skin. You can literally see the skin tighten.
Doctor, you'll see
The patient is sedated during the procedure and doesn't feel any pain. There will be some redness and swelling for the next few days, and it will take several weeks to completely heal. The small discomfort is worth it for Sparrow.
I try to take care of my health, and your face is one thing that just goes, and you're sort of out of control with that. So I thought this is something that made me feel great.
For a lot of people of my generation, having first few lines show up around your eyes or mouth is the first little tap of mortality on your shoulder, and it's a little unsettling when you first realize it.
It's been 6 weeks since Mary Sparrow underwent laser surgery to remove wrinkles. We promised you we would check back with her to see how the surgery turned out. We caught up with her today at her home, but first, a glance back. The last time we saw Mary Sparrow, she was heading into surgery. The 46-year-old Columbia resident underwent a new procedure to have her wrinkles singed away with a laser. The procedure involves using tiny bursts of laser light to evaporate patches of skin. This is how she looked before the procedure. And this is her today. At first glance, it may be tough to tell a difference, but a closer look and you can see the definite changes. These are before and after pictures showing her eyes. And then around her mouth. Look closely and you can tell the lines are less pronounced in the bottom picture.
I'm pleased. I don't have wrinkles here, around my mouth anymore. And I just feel like I'm young again.
Sparrow, who sells children's books for a living, says the healing process during the first couple of weeks was pretty painful, but not unbearable. She says there was some swelling and redness, and she's had allergic reactions to some of her cosmetics.
I'm having to experiment with different creams and makeups, and possibly I will have to change my regimen somewhat and go to quite a lot less makeup than I've been used to in the past.
Her doctor, Smythe, says Sparrow's allergic reaction is not normal for most patients. Still, he's pleased with her outcome.
But her results were very good, which is average, which is what most people do. They have patients that have fair skin with fine lines tend to get the best response.
For Sparrow, who is a grandmother, the surgery has helped reverse the aging process, which she says is worth a few weeks of discomfort.